Alright, be honest. Does your workspace look like this right now? GitHub tabs everywhere. Notion pages you haven't opened since 2023. Random PDFs, 5 folders named Final, Real. It's like your desktop is a final boss fight and you're losing badly. Every project turns into this giant mess of links, downloads, and where did I save that file again? Today, I'm showing you the closest thing I found to an actual productivity cheat code. This is SciSpace Agent. It basically puts your entire research stack in one place. Let me show you. SciSpace lets you connect your existing tools directly. Right here, I'm linking GitHub, Notion, OneDrive. Takes about 30 seconds, no drama. Now, watch this. I pull in my GitHub repo, I bring in my Notion notes, I grab my project files, and boom, everything lives inside one agent thread. Now, here's where it levels up. Because once all your data lives in one thread, SciSpace can actually use it. These are called skills. Let me show you 3. First, grant research. I ask the agent to find research grants for my role as a content creator. It scans my files, my notes, my code, and it gives me targeted grant suggestions. Not generic Google results, actual relevant matches. Normally, this takes days, but this took minutes. Next, presentation. I can ask the agent to instantly generate a presentation slide for a project. And it builds slide structure, key points, talking notes instantly. And finally, website. I ask it to build a simple project website from the same data, and it creates layout, content, sections automatically. So, here's the bottom line. Instead of juggling 5 apps, 10 folders, 20 tabs, you get one workspace, one thread, and AI that actually understands your project. SciSpace Agent Skills is everything you need. Try it out, link in the description box down below. And don't forget, there's an exclusive discount code on screen right now. Use the UTM link below to get the deal. Your future self, who isn't drowning in files, will thank you.